Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to claim Medicare benefits online in Australia. So you will be just search on the Google browser and this is the first website servicesaustralia.gov.au and it will just help you to create an account. And if you live in Australia, so make sure you will be just know that this website My Government or the My Government app. So when you just download it and you will be just using your government pin, and from the home page just select the make a Medicare claim, and you will be just selected. Before you start, you will just read these all the submitted claim and just tap on a start button. So you will just read the important notice and select either accept or decline as well. And you will be just the second step is there, just confirm the payment details of the, like example, this is the well selected John citizen, and you will be just selected your patient name and confirm it. So if you are this patient, so you will be just selected and just simply tap on next button. So the third step is that confirm payment details, so you will just select it yes. And the fourth step is that you will be just add a provider and item details. So you will be just enter the provider number, then select next as well. So you will be just item of details, example like item number, date of service, day, month, year, amount, and just simply just tap on it next button. So the fifth step is that you will just add a detail of referral. So enter like this. You will be just put it like this, referring provider number, day, month, year, and simply just tap on it next. So after next, the sixth step is that you will just review and submit. So make sure you will be just confirm all the patient details and service paid in full. So if you want to just edit it, so you will be just tap on this edit option in this screenshot. So here is the bank details of the patient name and the account name as well. You will just verify the address details, uploaded documents, provider details, item details, and simply just tap on it submit button. So once it's will review, so it will just recently claims. So in this way, you will just have to claim Medicare in Australia. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.